Good morning, everyone. It is 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and I'm on the road. I got started at about 5:30 this morning, but it was dark, and I was riding into some rain, so it looks behind me not too bad. So got some clouds back there, but this right here, this is what I just rode through. There is about, I think it was about 20 minutes worth of rain that I rode through. So my goal is to get to Amarillo this morning. Not exactly Amarillo, but Palo Canyon, which is just sort of southeast of Amarillo. My route today is about 364 miles, I think it is. Should be a relatively simple ride. I think this rain that I went through here is the only rain that I should see today, at least the radar says so. Temperatures, I plan to get there around noon, just maybe a little bit after, so the temperature should be somewhere in the neighborhood of, right now I think it's about 70. I think I should be maybe up to about 80, maybe low 80s. The thing is, though, that about 6 o'clock this afternoon, it's going to be close to 100 in that part of the country. And so riding today is going to be lovely, and the weather's going to be perfect, but sleeping it'll probably be 90, maybe 95 still. That's going to be kind of hard. So we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get back on the road. Stop for some fuel and some coffee at Palo House. Temperature is about 73, 74. It's starting to get a little bit warm already. I can feel it. Got about 250 more miles to go. Alright, let's get back on the road. So stopped for a quick rest break from riding, but I wanted you to see this. Watch for Quanah and rattlesnakes. That's pretty funny. Ride's been good so far. I got rained on almost immediately after leaving, which wasn't bad. Actually, it was not bad, especially because it brought the temperature down. Also, maybe 20 minutes ago, I got about 5 or 10 minutes of some heavy rain, but it didn't last long enough to really soak anything. I hadn't been bad enough to need my wet weather gear yet, which has been really fantastic. The bike has performed absolutely flawlessly as expected. It's been a fantastic ride. Okay, snack done. I've got about 95 miles left to go. I think this will be the last push, and I will arrive just around noon. All right, let's get back on the road. But got about 11 miles to go till we get to the camp. But over the last 10 or 15 miles, it's like I came down out of the mountains or something. I mean, it's all just mud around here, but it's like an oven. The temperature rose probably 15 degrees. So let's go for the last 11 miles and let's get back on the road. Well, I have arrived at my camping spot, and oh my giddy aunt, it is hot. I think it's probably 93, 94 degrees. Hopefully it'll cool off a little bit later, but here's my spot. Here's my camping. So I think I'm gonna put my tent kind of over in this area where the shade is right now. I'm gonna leave Sasha over there, and we'll see how it goes. About time to have lunch. I'll get my tent stuff, everything out, and I'll have lunch.